Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios. Today we've got a great product for you. I looked through all the brands of vitamin D and I've got one that I think is going to be the best bang for your buck. You're going to get some great product here, great amounts, great dosage, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about why you need to be taking vitamin D. This is vitamin D cholecalciferol, and I hope I said that correctly. Now, cholecalciferol is the type of vitamin D that you're going to be getting from the sun. It's bioidentical. So it's the one that I like to choose. I always like to choose bioidentical when I get the chance. I also like to get something that's FDA and GMP certified. You want a good manufacturing process, etc., and you want one that comes with a really good warranty, one that they back and actually has the ingredients that they claim. Supplements, they can be a little questionable at times. This one, packed with vitamin D, tons of IUs in here. Let's look and see. 5,000 IUs, that's 1,250% of your daily allowance. Now, let me tell you why you need to be taking that much vitamin D. Now, first off, it is great at helping prevent cancer. There's been all sorts of research, colorectal cancer, I almost said colorectal cancer, all sorts of things. There's breast health associated with it, but it's something that all the research points to the fact that you really do need to be taking a vitamin D supplement. Next, in these times of COVID, my father is an NP, he's a nutritionist, and guess what? The one supplement that he absolutely says that I have to take, that I absolutely have to take, is vitamin D. People who are taking vitamin D, research shows that their case of COVID, they're the ones who are asymptomatic or have really like light cases. So Iwalu, IWALU, is the brand that I found that has the best quality. They seem to deliver what they promise. They've got a high dosage, a great price, GMP certified. It's absolutely amazing. Also, I like products that are made in the USA. This one is made in the USA. I don't want to talk trash. There's a lot of supplements, a lot of products out there made overseas, and they don't deliver what they promise. Nobody's inspecting them. Nobody's going through it and saying for sure you could get a pill full of sawdust. This, made in the USA, it's GMP certified. The FDA is checking it out, and it's good stuff. So, I mentioned the COVID. Vitamin D is good for your heart, but also it's great for your bones. Now, if you look at a lot of supplement lines, if you're taking a calcium supplement, there's two types. There's just calcium, and there's calcium plus vitamin D. Why do they always pair them together? Because calcium and vitamin D works like with a synergy that you need vitamin D to process your calcium. Otherwise, you're just wasting it. You're just taking it for no reason. Now, if you are drinking milk and you're getting calcium from your diet, if you don't have enough vitamin D produced naturally in your body, then you're just wasting that calcium. A vitamin D supplement is not only going to help fight potentially COVID, help you from getting sick, help you from getting a cold, help with your heart, help fight cancer. It's also going to help your bones. It also helps with brain function. So vitamin D is something that I think it's 25 to 33% of the world is deficient in. People with darker skin, they're not getting enough vitamin D from the sun. They're not converting it. People who are not getting out in the sun. So people with really light skin and people with really dark skin are not getting enough vitamin D. So if you fall into those categories where you think you might not get enough vitamin D, you're not getting out in the sun as much as maybe your ancestors used to, a vitamin D supplement is a great idea. Now this one, it says organic olive oil, enhanced bioavailability, supports calcium absorption for bone health, supports healthy muscle function. Vitamin D is great for muscle. It supports breast and prostate health. Okay, now me, I worry about prostate health. Got some history of that in my family. I care about prostate health. Again, my father-in-law, nutritionist, nurse practitioner, well-educated, well-read, tells me I should be taking about 1,250 to 5,000 IUs of vitamin D every single day. This is 5,000. This is absolutely amazing for you. It's 1,250%, is what I meant to say, of my daily allowance, and it's absolutely amazing. So, let's see if there's anything else that I should mention in this. It's 1 capsule taken daily, so that's easy to do. Do not take if you have some impaired kidneys or diabetes. Yeah, that's about it, folks. Go ahead and pick some up for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.